think the mask helps. And you can hear Duke's drum is actually in sync. They really went hardcore. They did this right. Look at this mechanic. This is fantastic. Billy Bob's over there. I hope we go see him. Choo-choo! Oh, he's not moving. No. How can you have an office share a puppet?
She wasn't just any game. She was a great dame. And she lit the cigarette in her palm of hand. I could see that she was desperate. And only I, Pearl Smurl, double nuts.
And they're even entertaining this bullshit.
Sporting my bulletproof Tolliver, we hopped in my car and drove to Diamond Ross hangout. Roll, you're not funny. Shut up, Wendy. We came face to face with Diamond Ross. I could see he was desperate too. He not only dropped the ransom note, but paid us 10,000 smackaroos to get her mom out of there.
What?
She had scabbed his ear off for 3 days straight, and he couldn't take it.
That sounds jailbaity.
But it didn't stop there. She gabbed my ear off for 3 days straight.
He doesn't have ears.
And get a job. So it just goes to show you, if it ain't one thing, it's your mother. Secret agent man. Secret agent man. He giving you your mother and taking away your name. Yeah, just ask me anytime, baby. I got a million.
Nothing new.
Secret agent.